Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure the Audio Lollipop is fully charged and the companion app is installed on your phone. Turn the device on and press the pairing button until the LED flashes blue. This puts it into Bluetooth discovery. Once your phone sees Audio Lollipop in the Bluetooth list, tap to pair and accept any permissions the app requests. This initial connection establishes the audio channel and configures device settings, so don't skip app permissions. Those allow firmware updates and profile optimization for best sound. Once paired, open the app to configure sound and controls. You'll choose an EQ preset or manually adjust bass, mids, and treble to match your listening preference. This changes how the driver responds and is why you hear differences. Next, map the hardware controls. Set a short press for play/pause, double press to skip, and long press to engage voice assistant, so your workflow is consistent. Finally, calibrate mic sensitivity and noise cancel settings. This improves call clarity and reduces background noise when you speak. You finish setup by testing playback with a 30-second track and confirming volume limits. Make sure you set a safe cap around 85 dB if you'll use the device for long sessions. If the app prompts for a firmware update, apply it and then reboot the Audio Lollipop. Firmware fixes latency and stability. If you experience stutter or dropout, repair the device, clear the app cache, or perform a factory reset. These steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, contact support with device logs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.